Our major sponsors for tonight: Universal MCA Music Incorporated, Spinner, Waterfront Hotel and Casino, Jollibee, Euro, Philips, Wow Videoke. Producers for tonight's show: Mr. Jimmy Lim of Astro Plus, Mr. Ricky Ilacad and Moises Manuel. Special thanks to Sammy Samaniego and M2D Events. Media partners for tonight's show: Magic 92.3, Y101 FM, MOR 97.1 Cebu, 97.9 Love Radio, 89.1 Power FM, Alcordo Advertising, Ayala Center, Cebu, SM City, Cebu. Tonight's makeup: Ariana by Sigrid Reyes, located on RR Landon Street, Cebu City. We shall be starting the show in a few minutes. Relax lang na.